Welcome to Chelsea's Quick Bites. I'm excited to hang out with you in the kitchen today. Get ready for some cooking shenanigans as we whip up something delicious together. Whether you're a cooking guru or simply just love good food, we're going to do it all. Today we're making a fruit salad and the ingredients are listed below. This is a great summer meal when you don't want to put anything too heavy on your stomach. First, I cut my watermelon and chopped it up into small pieces. Then I washed my blueberries and strawberries. I cut the strawberries into small pieces, then I got the pear, shaved it like an apple, and cut it into small pieces. Next, I did the same to my apple, and then I started adding all my fruits to one bowl. I also cut this cantaloupe into small pieces and added it to the bowl as well. Added some lemon juice, and then I added some pineapple coconut water, but you can use whatever flavor you want. And here's the finished product. Thanks for watching. Join me next time on Chelsea's Quick Bites.